In this video, I'll uncover the best kind of apple cider vinegar if you want to get results. Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dr. Zarowski and welcome back to the channel. Now if you're new to the channel, it's a pleasure to have you here. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and join our notification community. That way I can help you excel your health and your life. Now in this video, we're going to talk about the best apple cider vinegar. You've probably had different health gurus online tell you you should use apple cider vinegar because it has all these different benefits that you're going to want to get. But what they forgot to tell you is based on the apple cider vinegar that you buy, you may not be getting the results at all. And so in this video, we're going to clear this up. This is a highly anticipated video because a lot of people ask me this question again and again. So here's going to be the answer to your questions, and we're going to talk about 3 characteristics you need to look for when you're buying apple cider vinegar. Number 1 on our list is it needs to contain the mother. Now when you look at apple cider vinegar, the mother is basically going to be that cloudy substance that you're seeing in the bottle. A lot of people look at apple cider vinegar that has the mother and they think that it's gone bad because it has this cloudiness within it, or even some different strings that you can see floating around in it. And so that's what the mother is. Now let's talk about apple cider vinegar and how it's made and the whole purpose of this mother, what it is. So when we talk about apple cider vinegar and how it's made, basically they take yeast and they combine it with apple juice. When they do that, what happens is the sugar turns into alcohol. Now from there, what they do is they add bacteria in. And when they add the bacteria in, it converts the alcohol to acetic acid, which gives rise to the mother and gives rise to the vinegar itself. And so that's what the mother essentially is. Now the mother has a lot of benefits. The mother is important because it has enzymes and it also has probiotics within it. The enzymes are very good for helping you digest your food, break down your food, get the most out of the food that you're eating, really help break it down so you can get the nutrition from it. And then the probiotics are good for immune health, gut health, it's good for hormone health. I mean, probiotics are good for so many different things. And so we want to make sure that we're always getting those good probiotics as well. Now using apple cider vinegar with the mother is going to be very important for those reasons. You don't want to get the filtered apple cider vinegar. You want to get it with the mother in it. So if you go to the store and you see that bottle and it doesn't have that cloudiness in it, it's probably been filtered and it's not going to offer you the benefits that the mother has to give you. Next here is pasteurized. Okay, so a lot of the apple cider vinegar is out there is pasteurized. Now this is pretty interesting because what happens if it's pasteurized, it's going to kill off those enzyme benefits. It's going to kill off those probiotic benefits, and you're just not going to get the benefit that you want to get from your apple cider vinegar. So the question is, if I buy pasteurized apple cider vinegar, is it good or is it completely useless? Well, you're not going to get all the benefits from it, but I won't say it's completely useless either because it still has acetic acid in it. Acetic acid can be good for balancing out the pH in your gut, improving that acidity. The acetic acid is good for acting as an antimicrobial. It's good at using it as a cleaning agent. You could use it to, many different reasons. You can use this apple cider vinegar and it still has that benefit just because it's going to have the acetic acid, but it's not going to have the enzymes and it's not going to have the benefits that the mother has to offer. And so pasteurized apple cider vinegar is not going to be the way to go. And you want to make sure that you're getting the raw and also get the unfiltered and not pasteurized. Next here, and this is important as well, is you need to make sure you're getting organic apple cider vinegar. Here's why. When we look at apples in general, they're one of the most highly sprayed fruits that are out there. And when they did studies on it, basically what they found is that the organic apple cider vinegar had way more strains of the probiotics in them than the non-organic. So if you're getting an apple cider vinegar that is not organic, it's going to likely contain pesticides. It's going to not have the good probiotics like the other one does. It's going to still have them, but just not as many. And so we want to make sure that we're getting the good stuff. Okay, we don't want apple cider vinegar, in which we're using to try to improve our health, have pesticides in it, and then of course do the exact opposite. And so we want to make sure we're getting good organic apple cider vinegar because, as I said, apples are one of the most highly sprayed fruits and we don't want pesticides in our apple cider vinegar. So organic whenever possible. Okay, let's sum this up. Buy this, not that. There's 2 things I want to talk about. There's the apple cider vinegar liquid and also the apple cider vinegar capsules. Now, when you're buying both of them, you want to buy raw, you want to buy unfiltered, and you want it to also contain the mother, especially when you're getting this liquid. Now, the other thing about the liquid is you want to make sure that you're getting it organic. Now, when we look at the capsules, this is important too. Pay attention here. Most of the capsules that are out on the market are just acetic acid, okay? So you're just getting that benefit that acetic acid has, right? We said, yes, it does have some different benefits it offers, but it doesn't offer you all the benefits that a good quality apple cider vinegar will offer you. So when we look at getting apple cider vinegar capsules, be aware that most of the ones on the market are just simply acetic acid. So what you have to do is be specific and look for an apple cider vinegar capsule that is raw, contains the mother, and also is unfiltered. I'll put a link in the description here to the one that I recommend for people, both the liquid and the capsule itself. So be sure that when you're making the choice to use apple cider vinegar to improve your health, you're doing it the right way, you're doing the right thing, because you know what, if you're not utilizing apple cider vinegar correctly in the way of buying it correctly and getting the good stuff, you're just not going to get the benefits. And if you want to learn more about apple cider vinegar, how to use it, all the benefits it has, be sure to check out this video I did right here on it, because I did this complete guide and it really breaks it down. All the benefits it has to offer, when you should drink it, how much you should drink of it. Check out that complete guide. It's very, very helpful for all the people who love to use ACV. So give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions, or if you want to tell your story about how apple cider vinegar improved your health, put it right in the comment section here below. And also, if you want to learn how to, improve your nutrition, reverse health conditions, do proper exercise, lose weight, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, and then you'll be notified every time I release a brand new video. Other than that, check out the other videos that I've done that can drastically help you improve your health. I'll see you in the next video.